Okay.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video.
So on this channel, I'm here with Megan.
Coco123 also.
No, not Coco123, because you have a new channel and you're posting this on your game channel.
Oh yeah,
So,
yeah.
hello, it's me.
Wait, what's our game channel called again?
Yours is Megan Gaming, mine is Morgan Gaming.
Yeah.
So basically, this is
Go subscribe. Put thumbs up too.
Yeah, this is basically where we record.
Yeah, and we'll play.
We
But
do webcams.
bedroom.
Yeah.
A bedroom is
We do gaming.
yeah, in our bedroom and all that. Yeah.
Right now we're in a different place.
No,
And this is our starter video.
what's our room called? wait, do not stop. What's another fund? The gaming room. What's the the gaming
Stop.
yeah, like the gaming room.
Basically, we do gaming.
One, I do not like your face. It looks really red, and I do not like it.
I gathered the courage to do this.
Your friend did it, not you.
Your friend.
Your friend, USA. Yeah, you don't.
Can we turn the lights on? From
Yes.
the garage.
Get in the house.
Yeah, hold on. You gotta move so I close the door.
I'm running to the garage right now, so I
The
gotta.
garage is on the other end.
No, it's not. Was it by the fireplace?
Do you even know my house? No.
I know.
It's right here.
Oh,
We
sorry.
always sleep at door.
Can I drive the car tomorrow to work, please?
She's obsessed with driving a car.
Yeah. Oh my God, I forgot what room.
Anyways, guys, I'll give you a house tour. This house.
I'll give you a tour of my room. So this is where
My
my.
friend made this house for me.
Alright, so this is where my sister sleeps, and this is where I sleep, and we got some toys
We
on the
just have
floor.
another sister, but
And
she doesn't like camera and stuff.
yeah, and I got the little basket of clothes in my nice closet, which I have a lot of blue clothes.
Yeah, I just changed it.
And here's the washroom.
If you guys know Doki Doki Literature Club, you get a cookie. Okay, so this
so
is my room.
We have. Don't ask why we have a shower and washer in our room.
That's the
And
bathroom.
we should actually put something right here in this
Here's
little
the
small corner.
kitchen.
And Mom, you should show them the
We need more
bathroom.
stuff for the living room.
And the toilet, I did
This
not
is
like.
the guest room.
I
It's very gray.
No, it's our friend's room. And
No, it's the guest room.
Yeah.
And slash her room. So.
I do not like the bathroom.
I need some coffee.
I don't like the toilet. And here's our shower. Oh, by the way, I am stinky, so I need a shower soon.
Okay, so next
Now I'm
is
realizing.
the garage, which you guys probably saw.
Yeah.
Because, yeah. There's also a picture of a car, like, flying. So. I
I
used to have a punching bag. What do you do?
Can I show the car tomorrow too? To walk. Hello.
And then this is the bathroom.
Hello.
Show it. This toilet used to be brown. It really didn't look good.
Yeah, because when we bought this house, it was.
Well, we didn't.
No. We went to Walmart. No, so we went to Walmart one day, and we went to Canada because we live in Canada, and then we went to the Walmart, and we had to go to the washroom, and then the bathroom just like open, and then we looked inside.
Okay.
There's a big football.
This is my other sister's and my sister's room.
I'm gonna take a shower, so
Right
don't.
here? Yeah. This is upstairs. So.
I saw so
Mine.
I'm gonna shut the door.
Sorry,
Wait, can I show the screen?
What?
Can I see the screen?
Yeah, as long as. Oh. So we're also.
Taking a shower. Get this up in my hair. My hair is super cool.
So basically, we're playing blocks for.
I'm a little OCD.
The OCD, like.
I'm a little OCD. While people says get me.
Okay, stop.
Where the hell are you going?
You're not funny. Okay, so basically, why am I saying basically? Okay, so also.
Why is it also?
That's a joke. Me and our friend made. So it's like also. I say also a lot.
I'm just taking the clothes to the
Guys, you can
shower.
refresh What?
I cannot speak. What are
So
you
you guys can basically tell us what you want.
My clothes are pink. Did you put shampoo in here that was pink? A food color? Food color. Food color.
Okay, so-
I have food color.
Oh god, you may want to get out of the bathroom.
Why?
I'm making a cafe. I already.
Shoot!
Can I donate money to you for?
I ain't donating money to you because when I donate money to you, you didn't give my money back.
You're
And I said you were supposed to pay me back.
You're supposed to give it back.
You little cookie dough.
I know, cookie dough.
I use cookie dough for the F word.
So you call me a little F?
Morgan! What? Who caused
I
this?
don't know. Get a life's car.
Why is there no doors? Get money.
Because this is my cafe.
You still didn't make it. Can I help you? Oh, I had to get rid of my clothes.
I only got a little bit more.
I'm in with you.
I can show you.
I'm in with you. So technically, I'm in the thing with you.
See, I only got $55.
I'll help you.
I only put your budget to $1 though.
What? What happened to my $1? Oh, I had to donate money to you. Cookie dough. But can I build the washroom? I really want to build a washroom. And I forget how much cash I have. I had to write this down. I don't even know how much money I have.
Also, sorry guys. I'm also in my PJs, so.
This is so frustrating.
What are you doing?
1,
1, 2. What is it? I'm also in a chair. That's.
I messed it up.
Okay.
What's up, my people?
Okay, call me. Okay, so
God, it's
so what were we doing?
frustrating. And then I forget how much money I have.
God's door.
What are you
Trying
doing?
to find a door that you need to give me.
You don't even have money.
I don't have any money. I only have $50. 55.
1, 3, 2. Fine, but you have to let me build a washroom. Or else I'll get knocked out.
Why do you want to build bathrooms? That's a cafe. Wait, yeah, cafes have bathrooms.
You weirdo! So people pee on the floor?
Yeah.
You're disgusting,
Where's
what?
the doors?
I'm going to build a little.
Oh, right here.
Is it right if I build like a little wall right here for the bathroom?
Yeah.
Besides, all you had to
Did
do
you
is.
give me money? Did you give me money?
Yes, I gave you money.
The door I want to get,
Is your anus.
$600. Wait, no, $1,000. I'm gonna go work so you guys get to see that. What are you doing? No, stop it. Stop it. Stop it.
It's too late now. It's too late to say sorry.
Die.
What the?
Okay, stop. Don't do that.
Okay, here, let me
Let's go work. Cause
look at the, what's it called? The burger place.
No, stop. Stop.
The burger
Yes,
place.
Thank you.
Burger place?
So, yeah. I think that gives the most money.
Yeah, that,
I don't know.
that gives the most money.
I think it's the pizza place though.
Teleport. I teleported. Oh. I'll be back with a banana. Sorry, minions, I had to eat a banana. Yeah,
This video is 9 minutes long. All my video. Oh, yeah. We also have another channel. Hers is Coco123. Mine is Princess Man. But I won't be telling my channel.
When I made it for this time. Is it too late to say banana? I'm coming, bitch. No.
Let's do this. I'm not doing this.
Oh,
I think it's better if you go in first person.
what gummy bear? Hey guys, I'm sorry. I have gummy bears in the shop. Gummy bears. I feel so bad for gummy bears.
It's like so. Look at this gummy. It looks like it's dying.
What do you mean when I have no
Tastes
hair?
weird. Oh. No, I call the one down here.
No, I wanted it.
How dare you?
Subscribe. I don't know.
You just opened one.
What? What?
Guys, we'll also be playing Yandy Simulator.
Yeah. Go check out that roleplay.
We
By the
didn't
way-
even make it yet. Okay.
And by the way, guys, we have laptops, so yeah, we could get it on our laptops. You can't get it on phones and nothing. It's just laptops.
Doki Doki Large Club, but I already finished the game with my friend, and she doesn't have it. Well, my sister may.
Oh my god. So, guys, follow me on all my videos because there's a girl. She has my name.
This is your first.
And she's
video.
a famous actor, so that's me. Yeah.
This is you. Anybody can have the name
Okay,
Okay, I think we're going to end the video here.
Why?
By people that I don't know.
Watch out for the next video.
Let's watch.